Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you another powerful strategy that can take your trading to the next level. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you fully understand the exact entry points. This strategy once helped me grow my deposit to a solid level, and I'm confident it can help you do the same. Let's move on to the parameters of this strategy, and I'll show you how to set it up properly. Go to the Indicators tab. Here we need the MACD oscillator and a moving average. We leave the MACD on its classic default settings. Save it. Next, we set up the moving average. Choose a period of 28, select EMA, and adjust the style however you prefer. I set the line to red with a width of 2 pixels. Hit save, and the setup is ready to go. There is a good setup on the currency pair US dollar versus Indian rupee. The price is near a horizontal level and I enter a buy trade. The MACD also gives a buy signal and the price is above the moving average. I entered exactly on the breakout of the horizontal level and I hope the trade will close in profit. The whole point of this strategy is that you should work either on the breakout of a horizontal level or on its bounce. MACD acts as an assistant, showing a signal to buy or sell. It is preferable that the trend matches your trade direction, but it depends on the situation. 1 minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now, let's get back to the video. Great, the trade closes in profit. Since the entry was made in the direction of the trend, I had a solid level of confidence that everything would play out according to plan. Let's move on and look for the next setup. The currency pair Australian dollar Swiss franc is giving us a clean setup. I'm waiting for the candle to close so I can enter a sell trade. The candle closes and I pull the trigger. MACD is signaling a move to the downside, the trend is bearish, and in this case, I'm trading the breakout through the moving average. I'm using a 2-minute expiration, and yes, this setup is taken straight from the 1-minute time frame. Feel free to note down these strategy details. Let's see how this trade plays out. A solid reaction and an excellent outcome. In this case, the breakout above the moving average worked perfectly. If you stick to the rules of this trading system, you can expect results just like this. Honestly, the strategy doesn't surprise me. It's brought me substantial profits before. Let's move on and look for the next opportunity. Here's a solid setup. The Omani Rial versus the Chinese Yuan. I'm going long here. MACD is giving a buy signal, and I'm trading the breakout of the moving average. The trend is downward, so this trade goes against the overall movement. It's definitely risky, but it's the best opportunity I've found so far that meets all the criteria of this strategy. Let's see how it unfolds. The trade closes in profit. Plus, that means my effort wasn't in vain, and I interpreted the entry point correctly. Guys, I'm able to do this thanks to experience and clear, well defined trading rules. So stick to them. Let's go find the next setup. Turning to the US dollar versus the Indian rupee, I see a good setup right away. The price is near the moving average, and MACD is giving a sell signal. There are targets below that it could reach, so I consider this a solid entry point, even though it's counter trend. Let's see how it plays out. Magic! The trade closes in profit, and this currency pair is giving us money. You really can't overstate how solid this strategy is. But let's not stop here. Let's open another trade. Here's a good setup on the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. I'm going to go long on the breakout of the moving average. The trend is downward, but MACD is giving a buy signal, so I entered on the breakout. It's a risky trade since we're going counter trend, so you need to stay alert. Let's see how this trade unfolds. I can see that my initial setup isn't playing out, so I've decided to open a counter trade in the opposite direction. MACD is already giving a sell signal, so this new trade is aligned with the trend. I believe it has a better chance of closing successfully since the moving average breakout didn't materialize and instead we saw a bounce. Keep that in mind. Let's see how this counter trade closes. Great. The trade closes in profit. This counter trade fixed the situation. I reacted just in time. The key is knowing how to make the right decision promptly. I hope this example was useful for building your trading experience. Now, let's find another setup and start locking in some profit. Looking at the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, I'm going long. The trend is upward, MACD is giving a signal, and I'm trading the breakout of the moving average along the trend. The setup looks interesting, so let's see how it performs. As you can see, guys, trades tend to work out much better when they're opened with the trend, even on a 1-minute time frame. The trade closes in profit, guys. As you can see, this strategy is effective and anyone can make money using this method if you stick to the rules I've shared in this video. Wishing you profits and great results. See you soon. Bye for now.